Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll be walking you through setting up your own development environments for data science, including a step-by-step guide on installing Miniconda. So let's get started. Before starting installing Miniconda, we will go through the flowchart which is taken from Daniel Burg. I will send his link in the description. So as a brief, just to refresh our mind, Miniconda is, you can consider it as a data scientist workbench where it can contain the minimum requirements and packages that you need for your own projects. The steps to install Miniconda is we download Miniconda first, we install it on our computer, we test the installation via terminal by using the witchconda command line, and if you get this output or something similar, it means that the installation is okay. And after that, we create our project folder where we're gonna implement our future project on it. After that, we create a project folder and we change into it using the command line, or you can create using the normally by right clicking and create folder on the desktop, and we change into it. Now we are under it. After that, we create a custom environment for the projects by using this command line. After that, we create our own custom environments within the project folder that we have created by using such command. Then we activate our new environments by using the command line conda activate. After that, we activate our new environment by using the conda activate. Then we install Jupyter Notebook by using conda install Jupyter, and we load our Jupyter Notebook and we check if the tools that we have downloaded or the packages that we have downloaded are working properly by using the import and the libraries that we have imported. Now we have gone into the flowchart on how to install Miniconda. Let's do that in action. At the beginning, we open the internet and we just search for download Miniconda. We click on the first link, download Anaconda. We skip the registration and we scroll down, and here we go. We have Miniconda installers where you can install it, download it and install it either on Windows or Mac or Linux. In our case, I will be downloading it on my machine. I have an Intel chip. So after downloading it, I click on it and run the installation. I will not go into the installation because I already have it installed on my machine. Now, to test the installation of Miniconda, we open the terminal and we type the following command conda list. You can see that it lists us all the packages that has been installed by Miniconda, and here it tells us that packages are environments in this location where Miniconda is installed. After creating our folder for the projects, we go into it. Then we will use the following command to create our own environment. Conda create minus prefix and the name of the environment, let's say env. Then we'll install pandas, matplotlib, scikit-learn, etc. We have the following error panda, so it's gonna be pandas. Yes. And now as you can see now, this environment, the folder env is being created into projects, and within it you can see the packages are being downloaded. Now we need to activate our environment. We just type conda activate, and we pass in the complete path. You can see now that the base has been switched into our locations. You can check by using, for example, conda list, and we can see all the packages, the default packages that come with by defining the environment, creating the environments, and you can see the pandas that we have installed, downloaded, and the scikit-learn, for example. After that, we install Jupyter package. So again, we'll use the command conda install Jupyter. The error that I got while installing Jupyter is because of this, that it conflicts, Python 3.13 conflicts. It requires it because it's telling me that it requires 3.13 and it conflicts with the previous installation. So to bypass this problem, I'm gonna use Python 3.10 by typing the following command: conda install Python equals 3.10. Yes. After that, I will be able to download Jupyter package into the environment. Now we will install our Jupyter notebook to use it later on. So again, we use conda command install Jupyter. We just make sure that we are under the environment we have created. We can tell that by seeing that it has been activated and mentioned here. So let's install it now under that environment. It's being retrieved from the internet to be downloaded. Yes. The transaction is being verified so that everything will be installed properly. Sometimes it take some time depending on the internet speed and the package size. To make sure that we have it installed, just type conda list and it will list us all the packages being downloaded into this environment. We can tell that, let's search for the Jupyter. Here it goes, it has been installed. Now we launch it. We launch Jupyter Notebook. We just type Jupyter Notebook. It will be launched onto the default browser. In my case, it's Safari browser. Here you can see, then we type a new under Python 3. This is the untitled IPython notebook. This is the one that we're gonna develop our machine learning project. Now, after we have launched our notebook, we will do import the packages that we have installed in our development environments. One of them is like import pandas as PD. Another one is import NumPy as NP. Another one that we have already downloaded into the environment is import uh, scikit-learn, sklearn. And to make sure that it is running, the packages are will be imported. We just type, let's say, print done. And let's run the cell. Here it's telling us no modules found because it's my mistake. I typed wrongly. So pandas, let's run it again. Done. It means that these packages do exist in our environments. Another way I want you to double check just to have the visual interface of it. Let's launch Anaconda, because at the end either you use Anaconda and launch your projects using it, where all the packages has been, most of them will be automatically installed and downloaded during the installation of Anaconda, or we use Miniconda and we create our own environment and we start building our projects on it. Here, if you go to the environment, you will see you will see that there are a couple of environments. The base root, this is the base root that comes with Anaconda. You can see many packages has been already installed within the installation of Anaconda. Here you can see Miniconda environment. This is also the default environments that is installed on the computer that contain these packages. And this is our env environment, the one that we have created in our own projects. And you can see that it is pointed to the desktop. It takes sometimes just to load the packages, as you can see, loading packages, and this is the package name. From here you can tell, you can see also browse, you can see all the packages. And you can also open the terminal by automatically pointing to it. You can see that it was from base, then it was activated, conda activate by itself, conda activate to the current environment that we wish to build our project upon it. Now we have finished setting up our own development environment successfully to implement our future data science projects and apply all the algorithms and models that we know about supervised learning, unsupervised learning, classification, neural networks models, and so on. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.